Welcome to the Woodland Davis Clean Water Agency's Regional Water Treatment Facility, which provides a sustainable, high-quality water supply for the cities of Woodland and Davis, and the University of California at Davis. Located just outside of Woodland, this facility serves more than 2/3 of the urban population of Yolo County and is capable of treating up to 30 million gallons of fresh water each day. The average person uses approximately 50 gallons of water per day. Add businesses and commercial use, and well, that's a lot of water. So where does all this water come from, and what has to happen to make it safe to drink? Let's take a look. The Sacramento River is a great natural resource and the primary water source for the water agency. The water is drawn from the Sacramento River through a state-of-the-art fish screen and then pumped 5 miles to the water treatment plant. The treatment process begins here at the head of the treatment plant. The water is rapidly mixed with a coagulant that helps dirt and small particles in the water clump together. The next step in the process is the flocculation basin, where large paddles gently mix the water to continue the coagulation process. These larger particles are called floc. Water then travels through what are called sedimentation basins, where the floc settles to the bottom and is removed. The clean water spills out over the top of these weirs and travels to the next step in the treatment process. Next, the water travels through the ozone facility, where the water is put in contact with ozone gas for disinfection. Following disinfection, water travels through a dual media filter to remove any remaining particles from the water. The filters consist of sand and granular activated carbon that filter up to 31 million gallons per day. Operators test the water at each step of the process to verify that the expected level of treatment is being achieved. Water is then pumped to storage tanks prior to being delivered to the cities and UCD. Finished water pumps send the treated water directly to the city's distribution systems for delivery of clean, safe drinking water to customers. As water leaves the treatment plant, additional chemicals are added to align pH, chlorine, and other constituents to meet the partner's water chemistry needs. Analyzers measure and chemical pumps add the exact amount of chemicals as set by the operators. The finished water is sampled and tested to make sure it's completely safe for distribution. The solids or waste that is generated throughout the treatment process is sent to gravity thickeners, where water is extracted from the solids. The remaining solids are sent to drying beds, where they are further dried using all of our California sunshine and ultimately hauled away to a landfill for disposal. The treatment plant is very water efficient. Every solids handling process returns any remaining water to the head of the plant for treatment, starting the process again. Water is a very precious resource, and we want to make sure we utilize as much of the water diverted from the Sacramento River as possible. The Sacramento River is an amazing resource that we are fortunate to have in our area. We can all do our part to conserve and keep costs down by fixing leaky toilets and faucets, installing low-flow shower heads and toilets, turning off water while brushing your teeth, minimizing irrigation during rain, installing California native plants, sweeping or blowing off sidewalks and driveways instead of using a hose, just to name a few. The Woodland Davis Clean Water Agency is dedicated to providing reliable and safe water to the cities of Woodland and Davis and UC Davis as economically as possible, while preserving our natural resources for generations to come. For more information, visit our website at WDCWA.com or call us at 530-379-4027.